Amazon Car Favorites Part 2. If you like putting items on your dashboard, this non-slip pad is for you. You can also place it vertically as a convenient phone holder. This cleaning putty is perfect for getting into all of your car's nooks and crannies, and it smells really good as well.
Car must-haves from Amazon. These sauce holders are the best invention ever if you're a sauce lover. They clip on your air vent and keep you from spilling it everywhere. This car pocket organizer is perfect for extra storage and keeping things from falling in between the seats. It also comes with foam inserts to help keep it in place if the seat gap is too large or to use as dividers. Like for part 2.
Things you didn't know you needed off of Amazon. This is waterproof car window film. Traveling on a rainy day gives me so much anxiety, and as you see here, when water normally hits your window, it becomes very foggy and hard to see through. This film is anti-glare, anti-fog, and waterproof, so you'll never have trouble seeing out your rearview mirror again. The film comes in so many different sizes and comes with all the tools you need to apply it perfectly. It's the cheapest solution that I've found to see better when you're traveling through a storm. Things you didn't know you needed off of Amazon. This is a car air purifier. It releases 4.8 million negative ions that removes dust, pollen, smoke, and bad odors from your car. With this little gadget, you can have that brand new car smell forever.
Things you didn't know you needed off of Amazon.
This is our cordless handheld vacuum that we use to vacuum out our cars. Not only is it super slim and easy to store away, it also comes with a USB charging cable, which is my favorite part because if I'm in an emergency, I can just plug it into my car real quick and I'll be good to go.
Car must-haves from Amazon Part 2. This diffuser where you can fill it with water and essential oils to make your car smell good. A trash bin that you can hang on the back of your seat and throw away pieces of garbage. A safety escape tool that helps you cut your seatbelt or break a window in case of an emergency. Car must-haves from Amazon. A phone holder that automatically clamps and charges your phone. This portable car jumper so you don't need help to jumpstart your car. A pack of mini trash bin that clips to the side of your door. Amazon Car Must-Haves Part 3. I love this tray for when I take out food or drinks. You put it on your passenger seat and it'll hold your food and drinks securely. You can also put it directly on your lap and use it as a table for eating or doing work in your car.
Car must-haves from Amazon. This pink trash can be clipped around your center console so you can easily throw away any garbage that you might make while you're driving. The material inside is really easy to clean, so it's fine for liquid spills too. I also love this clip that you can attach directly to the back of your seat. It's great for holding